All right, guys, I want to do a quick review on this 2-pack of LED video lighting kit. I was looking for something that was not going to break the bank, wasn't going to break in the first 2 seconds, and could help me with some of my reviews and lighting for different videos that I take. And I am super happy with these. You can adjust everything right here if you want to move these up and down really easily, which is super handy. Right here, you can change the filter color depending what you are doing. You can turn it off, you can make it brighter and less bright. It does come with these adapters right here, which is cool if you need to fit it into a USB-C like I have. And just unplug that. Let me do this again. So that's really cool that they have these in case you have chargers that only take USB-C. So you can turn it on right here. It comes in a nice little bag, and these things get nice and small. You can just unscrew this right here. And it's easy to adjust like right away as you're doing it. And I really like that because I'm always changing the sizes depending where I am shooting, and then this goes small. So everything gets really small, which is super handy. And like I was saying, the other competitors, everything was very expensive, and I wanted something that was not going to break right away. And yeah, it didn't break the bank. And so these really hit the button for me. They've been working well. I've been using them for the past 3 months and haven't had any problems. They're nice and bright. They get your area exactly lit, and you can, yeah, really change the direction pretty easily. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.